Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to locate Google folder and click on it. Then access Files app. In it, select Continue if you never used it before. And finally, click on Clean at the bottom left corner. Now select Clean under Junk Files. Choose Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my LG was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!